MacTech and AGT Robotics have partnered to bring the next level of welding automation to fabricators across North America, combining industry-leading technology with over 40 years of fabrication expertise. The steel beam fabrication industry is known for the use of state-of-the-art equipment. But when it comes to welding, most fabricators are still relying on manual labor, despite the fact that it accounts for over 35% of all fabrication processes. Introducing the BeamMaster, a highly optimized robotic welding system designed specifically for structural steel fabrication. With its unique auto-programming feature, the BeamMaster can take a 3D CAD model of a building and turn it into production-ready code in just seconds. Equipped with a robot and rails, 2 sets of rotators, and an operator console, the BeamMaster is an all-inclusive solution for structural steel fabrication. Its incredibly compact design makes it the perfect fit for all fabrication shops. By combining 2 zones, the system can also handle longer beams. The BeamMaster can accommodate all types of mill-shaped beams. It can also support fabricated beams and can handle beams up to 48 in width with rotators, or wider beams with optional end trucks. Using state-of-the-art robotic welding technology, the BeamMaster can automatically weld all the popular connection types found in typical structural steel buildings, including high-end plates, stiffeners, and gussets. With repeatable, high-quality welds, the BeamMaster is the ultimate solution for maximizing your production and investment. Here's how the BeamMaster works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. The operator selects a program from the bank of auto-generated programs previously created by Cortex. Step 2. The operator loads the beam onto the rotators. Step 3. The operator presses the Send to Production button and the BeamMaster takes care of the rest. It scans the part to adapt to real-life conditions, uses the correct welding schedule to generate high-quality, repeatable welds, automatically flips the beam when needed, and even changes zones when the beam is complete. The success of the BeamMaster lies in the power of Cortex, the only true no-programming solution for robotic welding. No programming equals no human intervention. Cortex automatically batch processes an entire building model to create tailor-made robot programs for each unique beam. Under the hood, Cortex performs thousands of operations to output the best robot program for every weld. The BeamMaster is the common-sense solution built from the ground up to be highly productive and modular. The system is fully customizable and offered in 3 main configurations. Made for real-life production, uptime is maximized with reliable robots, welding sources, and mechanical components. The state-of-the-art SnapCam 3D camera is the fastest and most precise seam-finding solution currently available on the market. One of the major advantages of the BeamMaster is its small footprint. When compared to competitive equipment, and when paired with the Layout Master Fitting Assistant, both systems take 4 times less floor space while delivering twice the productivity. This means you can increase production capacity, optimize workspace, and reduce operating costs. With its compact size, versatility, and ease of use, the BeamMaster is quickly becoming the go-to welding automation solution for structural steel fabrication around the world. Experience the power of automation and start optimizing your structural steel production with the BeamMaster. Increase productivity. Overcome labor shortages. Don't get left behind. Equip your shop with the BeamMaster. MacTech and AGT Robotics. Elevating fabrication through intelligent automation and redefining what's possible in modern beam welding.